Hello friends, my name is Amasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is Kanban and why we should use it for management of software projects. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start friend. What is Kanban? Basically Friend, Kanban is basically approach for managing the software projects. Nowadays, it's a very popular approach methodology which we are using for managing software projects. In actual, what is Kanban? Kanban is a workflow management method for defining, managing, and improving services that deliver knowledge work. It aims to help you visualize your work, maximize efficiency, and improve continuously. From Japanese, Kanban is translated as billboard or a signboard. Originated from manufacturing, or it become a territory claimed by agile software development teams. Basically, this concept is originated from Japan. Its Kanban is a Japanese word, which is basically translated as billboard or signboard. And afterwards, the agile software development they have adopted this approach as a Kanban for managing the software projects. Kanban in general, Kanban is a scheduling system for lean and other JIT just-in-time process. In Kanban process, there are physical cards called Kanban that move through the process from start to finish. The aim is to keep a constant flow of Kanban so that it has inventory as required at the end of the process. Basically, friend, just see this billboard. Okay, this is an example of Kanban. Here, see, this is the backlog. User stories are there. User story, what is user story? User story is the requirement of customer. So what we have done that in this column we pasted, or we mention all the user story or requirement which we have to do to accomplish or complete a project. Then this is the plan means that, for example, you decided that in the next 3 to 4 weeks of sprint time period we do that particular user story. Okay, so we place it in the plan. Then in progress means that user story or user requirement for which we are currently working. Then developed means that these are the functional requirements which have been developed. Tested means that these are the user story or requirement which have been tested by the quality assurance team, or user acceptance testing has been completed. And this is the completed mean that this story has been completed, customer has accepted this requirement. So see, this is the process flow. Like backlog, for example, you are making a e-commerce solution in which you have multiple requirements or user stories. For example, customer can log in into the e-commerce solution. This is a user story. Customer can do the payment through credit card. This is another user story. Okay, so in the backlog section we mention the user story. Then see, from backlog we put it in the plan. Like we put up this we put up this user story here on the plan. Then in progress means that this story is in progress, working in progress. Then the development, like it has been developed, then it has been tested, and then it has been completed. So see, from here on the billboard, this is the example of Kanban or signboard. Like from here you can focus like how many things, how many user stories are in development. This is the section, this is the section which will describe that these are the stories which are in development, these are the stories which have been completed. So it gives you a very clear picture of the work in progress. So friend, work in progress WIP Kanban projects have work in progress limits, which are the measure of capacity that keeps the development team focused on only a small amount of work at one time. It is only as tasks are completed that new tasks are pulled into the cycle. Work in progress limits should be fine-tuned based on comparisons of expected versus actual effort for tasks that are completed. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks for watching the video. Thank you.